Chicago Northwestern's SD45 is unique in being non-dynamic, and I think a lot of folks, by the time they see this video or see the model, they're gonna like, whoa, somebody actually did a non-dynamic SD45. And they're neat looking machines, even though they're missing the dynamic brake housing. They look, looks like a 45 still, and the C&W units got around. I'm not sure if this is the same number, but I know we have photographs in our collection of C&W SD45s, non-dynamic, working on Union Pacific trains, working in the 70s and whatnot on the Union Pacific out here in Southern California, coming down Cajon Pass of all places. So they got around. So I think they'll have a lot of appeal for folks just beyond the C&W modelers. This particular beacon is it's a replica of a federal standard rotary beacon, and this is what they called a mechanical beacon from back in those days. So instead of having the 4 bulbs that flash in sequence like on a prime stratolite, that utilized a pair of bulbs that were built on a rotating mechanism that just rotated, almost like an old cop car light. And that's a first for us. I don't believe we've produced any other models that have that type of beacon on it.
To purchase a Rivet Counter Series Chicago and Northwestern SD45 locomotive, visit our website at scaletrains.com or a select retailer.